Do you know winged bean? In fact, winged beans are also called winged beans, dragon beans, etc. Winged beans are good for the heart and play an important role in lowering cholesterol, can effectively stabilize blood pressure and reduce heartburn. The content of vitamin E, carotene, iron, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, and various mineral elements in winged beans far exceeds that of other popular vegetables. It is a good product for replenishing blood, calcium, and nutrition. Let's stir-fry winged bean with anchovies today. Winged beans. Anchovies. Chopped garlic. Winged bean, remove head and tail and sliced. Heat oil. Stir-fry anchovies until fragrant. Add winged bean and stir-fry. If too dry, sprinkle water from side of wok. One teaspoon chicken powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Stir-fry until winged bean is cooked. Plate winged beans. Delicious stir-fry winged bean with anchovies is done. Winged bean is crunchy and tasty, so yummy! I share delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it, yeah. Follow my channel now. And when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page, as there are thousands of delicious recipes waiting for you. If you are willing, please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. Anchovies are rich in nutrients, especially calcium supplements. Complete anchovies are richer in calcium, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, and iron. Anchovies powder can be added to baby food supplements to increase calcium absorption. Icanbillas, also known as dried fish, looks small but has high nutritional value. It is a fish with high protein and low fat. It can be eaten directly after being fried or used to make soup or ground into powder. It is also popular as a seasoning or even as a snack, so it is called a civilian snack. Anchovies also promote the absorption of iron and healthy polyunsaturated fats, omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy red blood cells and the development of the brain and eyes. Vegetarians and people who need iron supplements are most suitable to eat winged beans. Winged beans have a certain diuretic effect, so patients with frequent urination should eat them in moderation but not too much. In addition, they should not be eaten raw to avoid poisoning. Because winged beans contain toxic substances such as trypsin inhibitors and thromboxane. Winged beans are rich in vitamins and various nutrients. They have edible and medicinal values such as reducing blood pressure, beautifying, and aiding digestion. Their efficacy exceeds that of other beans and ordinary vegetables, and they are known as the bean of the beans. There are more delicious winged bean recipes in my channel. Do check it out too. Vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, and dietary fiber. If there are no vegetables in the diet, we will lack these vitamins and dietary fiber. They help our bodies protect against infection and fight disease. The nutrients and dietary fiber in vegetables can help us prevent many diseases, so it is very important to eat more vegetables. In addition, there is very little sodium in vegetables. Even if you eat a lot of vegetables, it will not cause an increase in sodium in the body. On the contrary, you will eat less other foods, and the body will continue to excrete sodium every day, so that the sodium in the body is greatly reduced, which is beneficial to lowering blood pressure. Having said so much, everyone should understand that eating more vegetables tastes better. Remember to eat more green vegetables. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.